Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust your TV box screen, how to adjust your TV box picture to fit the TV screen. So as you can see here, I have some black spots on the side here, which is not good. So you have two options. You have two remotes. You can try first with the TV remote and adjust the TV screen. If it does not work, you have probably changed the settings in your TV box, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to go to my TV box settings and just look for zoom. So go to settings, and settings, go to device preferences, and just look where it says zoom. In my box I'm going to go to advanced options. In advanced options you will see display. Look where it says display in your box. You will see zoom in screen, zoom out screen. Here as you can see, current scaling is 80%. It has to be 100%. Press zoom in screen. Keep on pressing. Press until you reach 100%. My TV box screen is now adjusted and fits the TV screen. That's it for today. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and see you in the next one.